guys, Jacob with Superchips here, and today I'm continuing on with our build series on our Jeep 2020 JL Rubicon build. Today we're highlighting the ComeUp Seal Gen2 9.5 RSI winch that we've decided to go with on the front bumper that we got from Expedition 1. This particular winch is perfect for our Jeep build because of the features that it includes, like the 100-foot synthetic 3/8 rope. This one has a wireless remote, a wired remote, a battery meter so we can continually monitor our battery voltage in the Jeep itself, and it's also got a nice over temp warning so that you can keep an eye on the winch itself when you're in those extreme cases in the rocks and really putting the winch through its paces. So we wanted to do a little product unboxing, show you what you get with the winch. Like I mentioned, we get a full wired remote that's nice to have, and then along with it, with this RSI model, we're also getting the wireless remote, which is super handy and easy to function. Carry that on a little lanyard, so you've always got it right there with you, and you don't have to worry about being within range of that other remote. Obviously, you get a fair lead that mounts right to our bumper. Full instruction manual and the owner's manual, a couple of stickers that we'll make sure we'll get on the Jeep itself. Of course, it includes the hook, mounting hardware, everything you need there. But this particular winch should be perfect with a 159.1:1 gear ratio. This one's also sealed, so it's water resistant, which will be super handy to just make sure it survives the elements when we're out and about. We don't have to worry about rain and snow, water crossings, whatever it might be. This one should work great. If you want to learn more, check out ComeUp Winch, and you can also follow along our build series right on our website at superchips.com.